50% of Xbox 360 owners, I have experienced the red rings of death. My trusty Xbox has lasted me a while, but just in time for Christmas, and all these great games, I can't play it. I've done all the research, I've looked on the internet, and I know. This is how to fix the Xbox 360's red rings of death. The method I use to cure my Xbox 360 is called the towel method. If you've had this problem before and have looked on the internet, I'm sure you'll be familiar with the method as soon as I do it. This method involves wrapping the Xbox in several towels, overheating it. In the process of this, it'll smooth out the hairline cracks that have appeared in the solder. This should reset all the connections that have broken in your 360 and allow you to play for normal, at least for a while. To prepare your Xbox for the towel method, you need to wrap it in towels. And to start that off, we have our Xbox here. It is plugged into the wall. You cannot wrap it in towels unless you plug it in. Power needs to be on. Unplug any controllers you have. Take off your hard drive again. And you're going to want to wrap your 360 in well, you can use 2 or 3 towels. It really doesn't matter. But I'm going to use 3 here today. And you're going to want to wrap it up really well. Make sure it's nice and toasty. Once it's all wrapped up and ready to go, feel around for your power button on the inside. There it is. Push it and it should turn on. Leave it in this position on for 15 to 20 minutes. Start out with 15 first. If that doesn't work, wait for it to cool off and then do it again on 20. I'll see you guys in 15. I'm going to sleep. Oh, the Xbox, right, okay. Right then. After 15 or 20 minutes, you want to unwrap your Xbox from its towely tomb. Right then. Unwrap your Xbox. Turn it on. Plug in your AV cable. And if all goes as planned, your Xbox should start up fine. Now let's play some Guitar Hero. Let's play some Cliffs of Dover, one of my favorite songs.